If you love binging video content on YouTube or even Netflix, then using a smartphone or a laptop screen might not be enough for you, especially if you want to enjoy a movie with your friends and family. And because of the pandemic that we're currently facing, having a smart TV is not only beneficial for you, it's also a great way to access information using a bigger screen. So for today's special episode, we have a 58-inch smart 4K TV by Devant. It's the 58UHD203. I'm excited for this one, so let them know they are loved by checking out Devant's social media channels and website linked in the video description below. What's up mga pre? I'm your host Alvin Pacheco and you're watching Pinoy Rig Enthusiasts, a channel where we will give you reviews, insights, and unboxing videos. So if you like tech reviews and smart TVs in general, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we're going to release more content like this one soon. And if you're interested in buying this 58-inch smart 4K TV by Devant, its official SRP is 34,950 pesos. But wait, Devant has a special promo just for you with their Devant World TV Day. Get this smart 4K TV for just 26,950 pesos, and that's a discount of 8,000 pesos. Probably the cheapest 58-inch smart 4K TV you will find. This promo will only run from November 8 to November 30, so if you're interested, check out the link in the video description below. Moving on with the specifications of this TV, it will now pop up on your screen, so pause the video if you want to see it longer. As the name already suggests, it's a 58-inch smart 4K TV operating on a VIDA-U OS. Not only that, but it also has Bluetooth, Dolby Vision, HDR10 support, and Dolby Digital Plus for audio. So let's get started with our unboxing. So once you buy the Devant 58-inch Smart 4K TV, you will not only get the TV itself, you will also get a remote, your user's manual, and a free wall bracket. Assembling the TV is very straightforward. All you have to do is screw the feet or stands to the bottom of the TV and you're all set. Starting off at the front of our TV, we can see the borderless design of our screen with minimal bezels. At the bottom part, we can see the Devant logo, and under that is our remote sensor, which is also an LED indicator. At the bottom part of our TV, there are holes for our speakers. Moving to the back, we have our AV in for video and left and right audio. We have an antenna, 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, an audio port for headphones, a LAN port, and a digital audio output. And that's it for our TV. Now let's take a look at the remote. Of course, we have a power button, the numpad, navigation buttons, the volume and channel buttons, and our quick access app buttons for Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. So that's our unboxing and overview for the Devant 58UHD203. Now let's go to our benchmarks. What we've tested here are the speakers and the color accuracy of its panel. Let's start off with the speaker test. Up next is our color gamut test using the Datacolor Spider X Pro. And that's it for the Devant 58-inch Smart 4K TV. Bigger screen and better viewing experience with your friends or family. Also, don't forget to update your calendar so you'd get notified on Devant's World TV Day promo happening on November 8 to 30. Big savings for their Smart 4K TV, and they also have a free soundbar for select 50 to 75-inch Smart 4K TVs. So, what's your favorite feature in this Smart 4K TV? Let us know in the comment section down below. So again, I'm Alvin Pacheco from Pinoy Rig Enthusiasts. Thank you guys for watching.